Hey, I don't have a physical product yet, but I want to market my upcoming launch. What should I do? CapCut, of course. CapCut's AI design makes crafting product images easier than ever, and that's what I want to show you today. With AI design, you can quickly create product images that are professional and high quality. You can even produce them in batches to save even more time. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I need to make sure you're subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel because trust me, you don't want to miss these tutorials and product updates. Major things are happening over here. Okay, now without further ado, let me walk you through it all. So here I am in CapCut's AI design. I got here from CapCut desktop and now I'm in my browser. And when you scroll down here, you'll see a bunch of different options for designs. You've got your IG posts, model images, YouTube thumbnails, infographics. Seriously, you can make anything here. These are all super useful templates. But if you want to make something from scratch, you can always type in your prompt here at the top. And this is what I want to show you first. This is super versatile and easy to use. You can upload your product image here if you already have the product in hand. It doesn't need to be professionally done or anything like that. But if you don't have your product yet, that's okay too. Let's say that I'm launching a new body wash and I want to create an ad that is surreal, fun, and showcases the look and feel of my brand. Who doesn't want that? So I'm going to type out my prompt. Reminder here. The more specific you are, the better output you're going to get. You'll have plenty of opportunities to modify this, of course, but I like to be very descriptive here. Surreal advertising photo, creative concept. Center, a giant body wash bottle standing upright on a bathroom counter, glossy and detailed. Around the product, many miniature people enjoying spa activities. Getting a massage, lying on a chaise lounge with cucumbers on their eyes, walking around, applying lotion to themselves, talking to each other, and enjoying their day. Lighting, bright and clean with cool tones. Ratio, let's do 3x4 poster style. Focus, make the body wash bottle look like a giant sculpture, blending naturally with the bathroom counter scene. Style, hyper-realistic, whimsical, storytelling visual, professional product advertising. I'm really going all in here. I want to show you just how particular you can be and still get an amazing output. Let's go ahead and generate. I'm now in a chat with my AI designer and it repeats my prompt back to me to ensure that we're on the same page. This is actually even more specific than I was. If your design doesn't appear the first time, don't worry, it's just a little glitch. You can ask your AI designer to regenerate it in the chat. And look at this epic product photo. It looks like the cucumbers are a little big, so I'm just gonna tell the chat to remove those. I'm also gonna use AI remove to get rid of this text at the top. Not really necessary to have this here. And finally, I'll just head into the edit elements menu and change my product name to Bria Stewart's Body Wash. I know, not super creative with a product name, but I'll brainstorm it. Now I have the perfect ad for my product and it doesn't even technically exist yet. But let's say you wanna go even farther with your product imagery. What if you wanted to show your product being held by a model, but you don't have the product or the model? We can definitely do that here too. It's actually a template here on the AI design homepage, so let's make it our own. I'm swapping out the template photos and subbing in one of myself and one of a shampoo bottle. I'm also gonna add a note for my AI designer to crop the model so that I'm not using a full body photo for my product image. And here we go. I'm officially holding my product in hand. I'm gonna crop it even further just so there's more attention on the product. But what if your product isn't something that's best shown held in hand? What if you have a clothing business and wanna show your product on a model? That's what Outfit Swap is for. Let's scroll down on the AI design homepage and head into this template. First, let's sub out the template outfit for my product, an athletic dress. I'm also gonna change up the prompt a bit so that it aligns more with my dress. I think it makes more sense to put the model in a park than to have her inside, so I'm just gonna type that out here. I'm also gonna remove the text from the image. Mind you, the image of the dress is not a professional e-com photo. I just took this picture with my phone, so don't feel like you have to go all out to get the finished image you want. And look at this! I'm seriously so shaken up every time I see what AI design can do. This looks like a full-fledged photo shoot. Even if you're looking for a simple e-com photo for your website, this tool can do that too. I'll just type in a new prompt to move our model to a studio and change up her pose. Check this out, so cute. I just want to fine-tune this a little bit. Let's tell the designer to change the lighting to a clean, bright, cool-toned aesthetic and alter the angle so that we can see the model's whole body. I'll even put a pair of white sneakers on her. You can keep changing aspects of your image up to 10 times a day, so don't be afraid to experiment a little bit until you get some options you like. If you ever want to go back to a previous output, they're all here at the bottom. It has never been easier to get incredible product images for your business. I'm already obsessing over the outfit swap tool. I resell my clothes online and I feel like this would be so useful for that. Let me know how you're going to be crafting product images for your business using AI design, and drop the name of your business below so that we can all support it. You'll also obviously want to download the CapCut desktop and mobile apps. I mean, this is a total game changer. I can't wait to see how many cool images you're gonna create. I'll see you later, content creator. Bye.